In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Discord banner not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is clean Discord reinstallation. We need a program to delete Discord completely. The program we will use is Revo Uninstaller. We open our browser and type Revo Uninstaller and open the site. Then we click on free downloads. After doing this, we click portable from the Revo Uninstaller freeware section. We have downloaded the zip file. Now we will extract this zip. Double click on Revo Uninstaller portable folder and then open Revo U port. Click OK and continue. We find Discord among our applications and right click on it. Then click uninstall. We untick make a system restore point before uninstall and click continue. Then select moderate and click scan. After that, we click select all and then delete. Click yes and continue. We do the same for leftover files and folders. We have completely uninstalled Discord. Now we need to restart our computer. After restarting our computer, we open our browser to download Discord again. After opening our browser, we type Discord download in the search bar. After that, we click download for Windows. We downloaded Discord setup file. Now we will install Discord. We have installed Discord. Now you can log into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to use the Microsoft Store version of Discord. If the first solution didn't work, it means that the desktop version of Discord is currently not working. Therefore, we will download the more stable Microsoft Store version. To do this, open the Microsoft Store and type Discord in the search bar. After that, you can download Discord and check if the problem is solved or not. If you are still having problems after these two solutions, the reason is not you, but Discord itself. In this case, unfortunately, there is nothing we can do other than wait for the Discord developers to solve the problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.